There are 20 books on one page and there are total 50 such pages. This is the final result. We have all the book details structured in tabular format. Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to scrape data from website. So first we'll see some basic, then we'll create some strategy, and lastly we'll do coding. So let's start with the session. First of all, what is web scraping? Web scraping, web harvesting or web data extraction is a data scraping used for extracting data from website. One thing will come in your mind. Is web scraping legal? Web scraping is just like any tool in the world. You can use it for good stuff or you can use it for bad stuff. Web data scraping aren't illegal by themselves, but it is important to be ethical while doing it. Respect the rules of the website. To check the rules, you can go to the robot.txt page. For example, this is the robot file of Facebook. They have mentioned their rules. For Googlebot, which is for Google search engine, these sites are disallowed. There are different types of user agent. For us, we fall into this category. We are not allowed to scrape Facebook. Similarly, in LinkedIn's website, we are not allowed to scrape any page. But there is one note here. If you like to crawl LinkedIn, please email here to apply for a whitelisting. So do your research before using scraping their data. I will be doing hands-on now. You can code along with me or you can watch the whole video first and do it by yourself later. The biggest challenge in the web scraping is that websites are constantly changing. So today's code might not work tomorrow. I have chosen site that will have minimal changes because this site is meant for scraping practice only. This is the website toscrape.com that we are gonna scrape. This site has two subsides. First one is quotes list and second one is book list. I'm gonna scrape book list for you and keeping the quote list site for homework. So let's see what we can scrape here. This site has 1000 books. 20 books are listed on the first page. There are total 50 pages, which means 20 books per page. I purposefully chose this site instead of Amazon or some other online books since this site is easy to scrape. And I believe when we learn for the first time, we should keep it simple and easy. Once you got your basic clear, then move to the complex side. So I'll open the link and it has some info about book. It has title, price, it has category. This book is of category travel. Then there is product description, product information like UPC, Universal Product Code. Price is again given here. Tax, availability, number of reviews, and then recently viewed product. No, I don't need this. So we will scrap product information, product description, title and category of the book. Now let's go back to the listing page and we will inspect this site. This is my URL. Now pay attention to the URL. I'll click to the next button and we'll check the URL. It has changed. Again I'll click next and my URL has changed. Now I am coming to the previous page, second page. and URL is changed. For page 1, this is the URL. So let me play with this. If I change this to 14, will I get redirect to the 14th page? Yes, I am on 14th page. Let me change it to the last page, 50th page. And here we came on the 50th page. Now let me just try for the corner cases. Page 51, it does not exist. Now we know how to iterate through pages. Just change the number here. And now we go further deep level. There is hyperlink behind each book. If I click on the link, then I will redirect to the books page. And once I get all the books hyperlink, I will redirect and fetch all the information for each hyperlink. I hope you have understood these strategies. First, we'll collect all the page URLs. Second, in each page, we'll collect the actual link of the books, which will help us to redirect to the product info. And third, we'll scrape the info. In the next video, we'll write the code for all these steps. Make sure you have subscribed my channel, like the video and watch entire scraping series and master in the scraping skill. See you in the next video.